Working on a car is kind of magical. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know, it's like almost euphoric because I'm learning all this new stuff that I can then apply in the future. I feel like that's always been my goal, is to like be somebody who can do something good for other people on a daily basis. And knowing that this stuff that I'm learning is working towards that is just a wonderful feeling. It's very satisfying.
The reason I wanted to work on cars was because I just had a passion for it ever since I was a kid. I didn't know for sure what I wanted to do exactly with it. From there, I just decided to go to college to learn everything about it. Here I am.
In automotive, we learn all things from the front bumper to the back bumper. We are really heavy into electronics right now because of the way the modern vehicles are operating. We also service complete powertrain systems, internal combustion engines, automatic transmissions, manual transmissions, and drive axles. If you have ambition and the will to learn, you can be a great automotive technician.
You really do learn so much here compared to just working at a shop and doing just oil changes. That's what I started out with before I came here. Just being able to ask someone who's a real professional, like, hey, what should I do? And then they're always ready to help.
So like I said, it's got all the components you would need to electrify a vehicle, and they're all labeled. So this is your battery charger, little EV101. The thing on the wall is called service equipment. In our new electric vehicle program, we are looking at all the same things that we would normally look at in an automotive program, except we are focusing on EVs and hybrids as the canvas. That means that we are going to be testing high voltage batteries, high voltage drive motors, and high voltage air conditioning systems. Hybrid and electric vehicles or electrified vehicles continue to make up a higher percent of the market share. We have to add this on so that our technicians are ready to service these high voltage vehicles when they get into the field.
A lot of our equipment is pretty advanced. It's typically what you'd see out in the field. So we try our best to keep everything up to date. We got some of the newest alignment racks, now tire balancing machines. We want everyone to leave here with the bit of knowledge that they need to get out into the field. Oh, the job market, it's pretty high. I mean, we have people knocking down our door. It's nice that we partner with different dealerships to help them get interviews, get the jobs that they want. You just go ask and you probably get it.
The favorite part of this program would be the instructors. They make everything easier. You don't have to worry about tools. Everything is provided for you. If you need help, the teachers are always there for you.
I decided to go to St. Paul College because it just seemed really welcoming when I went to the open houses. Everyone was really nice when I talked to them. I've made a lot of really, really good friends here. People that I know that I'm going to be spending a lot of time with outside of school when it's all over. I would tell people to come to St. Paul College because it is just a great learning environment.
I think it's just like getting my hands dirty. Like, there's just something so satisfying about the end of the day. I go home and I'm like, my hands are filthy and I know that I really got in there and did a good job, and everybody here is helping me feel confident in that and encouraging me to pursue that, and it just makes it feel even better.